So this is the manual starting mechanism.
Wow.
So you have to be standing inside this cramped compartment and to crank the engine to get it started. And this is a reserve system. Normally it started with electrical start.
And so would that be the job of the driver alone? Like that's his task, or does he need help? Can one person do it?
I'm not sure if he could do it by himself. I think you have to have one guy here and the driver sitting and adjusting the throttle, etc. So it could be a quite difficult task.
Gotcha.
And not with the space. I think you need to have a small guy with a lot of muscles.
Okay. How many crew are expected to man this thing?
4.
Okay.
It is one driver, one commander, one for the gunner, and one for the radio. But we also have 2 machine guns on it, one in the turret and one in the hole, and that in the hole is laying there.
Ah, there we are. So this fits in the hole then.
Yeah, so this is one of the machine guns.
Excellent. Super
It's a
cool.
water-cooled Schwarzlos machine gun.
How many rounds per minute?
600 perhaps.
Okay. How much ammunition do these things usually pack with them for that?
That was the ammunition racks, and and you have ammunitions in this type of boxes here.
Wow, where do these fit in the tank?
On the side.
On the side, one in this side and another in that side.
Gotcha.
So with those boxes inside, there is not much space left for the crew.
And we have taken them out because we're working with a steering gear here. Here we have a steering gear mounted in the vehicle, and you have an input for the engine over there. It goes right over here, and here we have an output to each track.
On either side there.
Yeah.
There we go.
And that is for the left steering, steering for the left track, and that for the right,
Okay.
over here.
On that side, you have the driver with the 2 steering sticks and the pedals with clutch to the left, accelerator in the middle, and brake to the right. That was the standard for Scania vehicles in the 1920s.
Cool.
So it's a bit different, so you have to think before you push the brake pedal.
There's a gun from the turret there.
Yeah, it is.
And so this person would normally be standing
Yeah.
here.
And aiming with the gun and traversing the turret by twisting the whole body. There is no mechanism to turn the turret, so you have to do it with the help of your body.
About how many of these were made?
We're not sure. There are no exact figures, but we know 10 were sold to Sweden and approximately 10 were sold to Hungary during the same period, 1920-21. But there should have been more at the factories. They were produced late 1918, so they never got it to the front line before the war ended. But it was supposed to be part of the German tank generation. But really too late, so they were left at the factory. And the design is similar to the British Whippet, even if it's very much smaller.
And how many of these remain? Or how many of them remain?
Remain 4. We have 3, and there is one in Munster in Germany.
And of course, this will be the only working one left in the world when it's
Yeah,
complete.
actually it's the oldest working tank, German-produced tank in the world.